This is a simple step-by-step guide to diagnose oil leaks and engine parts, easy to follow and accurate. Step 1. Prepare for checking. Clean the engine first. Wash or wipe the engine block covers and bottom parts with a rag or degreaser. This is very important. You cannot find the source of everything is already dirty and oily. Let it dry completely. Step 2. Check these common parts, most likely leaks. Valve cover gasket in top part. The cover on top of the cylinder head where you usually add oil. Second, oil pan gasket. Bottom parts. The metal tray at the very bottom of the engine. Oil filter. Usually a round canister attached to the side or bottom. Step 3. Test to confirm. Cardboard test is the best way. Front of cardboard, center bottom, back of cardboard, side, leak from valve cover or sensors. Step 4. Identify the cause. Sweating, seepage, just wet, no drops, usually old gasket or mirror breathing. Active leak, dripping or running, damaged cell or loose parts. Gushing, heavy flow, broken parts, missing seal or overfilled oil.